this is Lynn with MI Tinker, and today we are making a new belt for this 14-inch saw. I bought a length of this poly, and I've never tried this before, is to make my own belt. So there was none on the market for the length that I had. It was 22.5 inches, I believe. And this is what the old belt looked like. It was just in pieces. 24.5 is what the length was. So what I did is I measured out the 24 and then subtracted 10%, cut it to length, and I'll show you how I've fused it together. First, let's get a clean cut. I found this particular cutting tool. It's called a Handy Cut. It's got quite a sharp edge. I found this worked really well for cutting material for getting a clean edge. Very easy to cut. Beautiful. Now that we have the poly cut to length, I'm going to heat up this old kitchen knife, which I've got clamped in a vise, to fuse it together with heat. And I've got a little mini torch. It's a little butane torch. Heat that up until it's about red hot. Not quite that, but hot enough that it's going to be melting this poly. Okay, here we go. Once they've begun to melt, we'll need to align them, sliding them off the knife. You've got a few seconds to make adjustments before it cools. That's pretty good. I've tried several different methods for cleaning and smoothing the fused ends, like a razor knife, sanding paper, but I found that the nail clipper seemed to be one of the best. That seems to work pretty well. Okay, it's all installed. Let's get the cover back on. Seems to be working great. So thanks for joining me today for making a new belt for this bandsaw. It was pretty easy to do it and make a custom belt right here in your shop. If you liked the video, if you found it helpful, please give it the thumbs up. Subscribe because that'll help our channel grow. And we'll see you next time for another video with Lynn with MI Tinker. Until then,